Hey, what's going on? You know who it is. You know what it is. All right, you guys. I'm not demanding. I'm not telling you. I'm asking you if you can go see Will Smith and King Richard. This is the movie that a lot of people are projecting that Will Smith will take home the Oscar for Best Actor. They're saying that Will Smith is damn near unbeatable. They saying there's no performance that's going to beat Will Smith. Well, that's yet to be seen, because we all know how the Oscars get down. But nevertheless, they're saying Will Smith is the favorite alongside Jennifer Hudson to be nominated at the very least for Best Actor and Best Actress. So I'm going to see this movie. I'm going to try to catch it this weekend. If not, I'm going to catch it next week when I get back home. But I am going to see King Richard. If somebody sees it before I do, let me know. But I do plan on seeing this movie because I am going to support this movie. I'm going to go support Will Smith because I feel like this movie is important. I think the timing is right because due to the way that the black man has been getting attacked over the past couple of years, viciously attacked, not only by people outside of the community, but, women in our own community have slammed this movie, criticized it, asked why did this movie get made, and I think that's a shame that you got women from your own community that don't want this movie to succeed. And to a certain degree, I have to say to the women that's rooting against this movie and have an issue with this movie being made, well, basically, fuck you. Yeah, I said it. I don't know what it is with some of these women that hate to see black men celebrated and acknowledged. But if it was a movie about their mama, they'd be demanding and saying black men need to go support this movie. But then you got women out here bashing this movie. Trying to discredit, Richard Williams. But, at the end of the day, I will be supporting this movie. I will be going to see this movie. The only problem that I have with this is that you also can see this movie on HBO Max. And I'm not going to watch this movie on HBO Max. I am going to the movie theater to see this movie. And, that's just basically the bottom line. I could go watch it right now at home. Like right now. But no, I'm going to be a traditionalist and I'm going to go see this movie on the silver screen. Hopefully this movie comes in at number one. It does have to compete with the reboot or remake of Ghostbusters, but I think that King Richard will come in at number one. I don't know what the trajectory is, but we'll see what happens. This your boy Town Biz. I'm out.